Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So it's that time of year, it's drawing to a close. And it's been an eventful year, is probably the way to put it. Certainly one of the more challenging ones out there for a whole variety of reasons. But as always, the Bullion Now family has been incredibly supportive, and it's been a great year from that side. So this is a very large, heartfelt thank you to all the Bullion Now family around the world for their support and the fun and games that we've had both on live stream, in store, over the phone, emails. There's always that constant interaction, and it's great to feel part of that. And as we travel around, people treat us as though we're long lost friends, which is fantastic to see. So a big thank you for that. I hope you have an incredibly great Christmas. You spend time with your family and friends and have a bit of town time. And I hope 2025 is a fantastic year. So thank you, and we will do it all over again next year.